In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to end your Calendly subscription, making the transition smooth and ensuring you understand each step fully. Let's start with navigating to the Calendly website. It's the hub where all your scheduling magic happens. Once there, you'll notice the user-friendly interface. But today our focus is a bit different. We're heading towards managing our subscription, so your next step is to click on the login button. This is crucial because you need access to your account to make any changes, including subscription adjustments. Logging in can be done in various ways, but for simplicity and efficiency, we'll proceed with Continue with Google. This option allows you to use your Google account credentials, streamlining the process, especially if you've used this method for initial sign-up. Clicking this prompts you to select the Google account linked to your Calendly subscription. After selecting your account, you'll be prompted to continue. This might seem like a small step, but it's a part of ensuring the security and privacy of your account. Calendly takes these aspects seriously, ensuring your account adjustments are protected. Once logged in, you'll land on your main Calendly dashboard. This area gives you a broad view of your scheduling setups, upcoming meetings, and more. However, our path leads us to the Admin Center. This is where Calendly allows you to dive deep into account settings, user management, and, crucially for us today, billing and subscription details. Clicking on Admin Center will reveal various administrative options, but our focus zeroes in on billing. This section is specifically geared toward managing your subscription details, including upgrading, downgrading, or cancelling your subscription. In the billing area, if you already have a paid Calendly plan, you'll see an option to change this plan. It's a straightforward process, showcasing Calendly's commitment to flexibility. When you select Change Plan, you're presented with several options. For those looking to end their paid subscription, the choice is clear. Select Downgrade. Upon choosing to downgrade, you will see a button stating Change to Free Plan. This is a pivotal moment in the process, as clicking this button initiates the transition of your account from a paid subscription to a free one. Calendly's free plan still offers a robust set of features, perfect for those who want to maintain the scheduling efficiency Calendly provides without the cost of a premium subscription. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully navigated through ending your Calendly subscription. It's a process that Calendly has made user-friendly, reflecting the ethos of their overall service, making scheduling, and in this case subscription management, as hassle-free as possible. Remember, revisiting your subscription needs is normal, and adjusting them ensures you're always aligned with the tools and services that best fit your current requirements. Calendly's straightforward system for managing your subscription provides you the flexibility to adapt as those needs change. Before we wrap up, a tip to consider is to think about what your scheduling needs will be after ending your subscription. The free version offers great functionality, but make sure it aligns with your requirements. Another piece of advice is to keep an eye on email confirmations or notifications from Calendly about your subscription status to confirm the changes have been processed successfully. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on how to end your Calendly subscription. Whether downsizing your business tools or simplifying your scheduling needs, it's empowering to know how to make these adjustments yourself. Remember, the most important tool in your business is you, and ensuring your tools align with your needs is key to your success. Until next time, happy scheduling.